Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have another Boston Scally capped show today. As most of you guys know, I have a huge collection. As you've seen on a couple of my previous video I had, it was over an hour long. I'm a big fan of the Baker Boy collection. I have the pumpkin pie baker. I have pretty much all the bakers besides a couple of herringbones. And they just recently released a new colors. And so I ended up getting the olive green herringbone, which is a pretty cool looking cap. And so this is the Baker Boy. Always comes with these little Baker Boy, little placard cards, basically how to knead bread and whatever it might say. All these other shenanigans. How serves 1, prep time 2 minutes, wear time all season. You can't wear this all season when it gets to be 130, 110 degrees here in Wichita. This is not a cap you want to wear. So that might be fake news. And then it says remove cap, give a good rim a bend, like I'm doing here. Just a little dough to best work your cap in the desired shape. Anyway, that's what it says. All right, so we're going to go try it on. Again, this is the olive green herringbone. It's got the Baker Boy on the inside. And I did get this in extra large because previously when I got the mediums, it just seems that the mediums run a little tight on the Baker Boy. Like I got the pumpkin pie and I've tried stretching it and it's really still tight. So I can't wear it because it's so tight it'll give me a headache. But here it is. We're going to just go ahead and try it on. We're not going to show a close-up on this one because this is just the Baker Boy. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is definitely the extra large, the way to go on the Baker Boy. Very nice cap. Yeah, I'm going to probably pick up the brown one as well. Now that I see this has got to be steamed. Got a couple wrinkles. But yeah, great cap. Again, this is my favorite line of caps from Boston Scally. And this is the Baker Boy. Just looks great. I like how it just has that old school feeling on it, the Peaky Blinder type feel. Yeah, this is a great cap. Again, Baker Boy. And let me know if you guys like this. If you want to see more reviews, I don't know if I'm going to get the Franken, or not the Frankenhead, the Vampire Head, I think it's called, they're releasing. I don't know if I'm going to get that or not. But I'll probably do it just to add my Halloween collection, because I do have the whole Halloween, so I tell myself no, but I'll probably end up getting that today. That gets released here at 11, 12 noon Eastern time. But again, Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, subscribe. Again, this is the olive herringbone Baker Boy. Have a good day, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.